In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Xero for accountants and accounting professionals step by step. If you're managing multiple clients, handling year-end accounts, or cleaning up messy bookkeeping, Xero is designed to make your workflow faster, more accurate, and far more scalable. By the end of this video, you'll understand how to use Xero as a single ledger system, manage clients from one dashboard, standardize reports, bulk fix coding errors, and lock down finalized periods properly. If you find this helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more accounting software tutorials. Let's dive in. First, it's important to understand how Xero is built for accountants. Xero works as what's often called a single ledger system. That means you and your client are both looking at the exact same live financial data at the same time. There are no separate accountant copies and no back and forth file transfers. When your client reconciles a bank transaction, you see it instantly. When you post an adjustment journal, they see it instantly. This real-time collaboration is one of the biggest advantages of using Xero for accounting practices. To get started, log into Xero and go to your Xero HQ or practice dashboard. This is your command center. From here, you can see all connected client organizations in one place. The client dashboard gives you a bird's-eye view of your entire portfolio. You can quickly identify which clients have disconnected bank feeds, which ones have unreconciled items, and which files may need attention before month-end or year-end. This dashboard is incredibly useful for workflow management. Instead of opening each client file one by one, you can immediately prioritize based on alerts and statuses. For example, if you see a client with multiple unreconciled transactions, you can jump straight into that organization and resolve the issue before it snowballs into a larger cleanup project. Next, let's talk about report templates and standardization, which is critical for accounting firms. In Xero HQ, you can create what's often called a master pack. For example, you might build a standardized year-end pack that includes your profit and loss statement, balance sheet, cash flow statement, and any custom management reports you provide. Once this master pack is created, you can push it out to multiple clients at once. This ensures every set of accounts has a consistent structure, consistent formatting, and consistent presentation. This is especially important if you're managing dozens or even hundreds of clients and want your reporting process to be systematized and efficient. It also reduces the risk of inconsistencies between team members. Now let's move on to one of the most powerful tools in Xero for accountants, Find and Recode. This feature is a massive time saver when correcting errors. Let's say a client mistakenly coded 100 fuel transactions to travel instead of motor expenses. Instead of editing each transaction manually, you can use Find and Recode. Go into the relevant account or transaction list, use filters to locate the incorrect entries, select them in bulk, and choose the Recode option. From there, simply change the account to the correct one, such as motor expenses, and apply the update. In just a few clicks, you've corrected dozens or even hundreds of transactions. This is incredibly useful during year-end reviews or cleanup jobs. Another essential feature for accountants is lock dates. Once you've finalized a VAT period, month-end, or year-end accounts, you need to prevent accidental changes. In Xero, go to Accounting, then Advanced, and look for the Financial Settings or Lock Dates option. Set the lock date to the end of the finalized period. Once applied, this prevents clients from editing transactions before that date. If they attempt to change something in a locked period, they'll receive a warning or be blocked depending on permissions. This protects the integrity of your finalized reports and ensures that submitted accounts remain accurate. Combining these features together is where Xero becomes extremely powerful for accounting professionals. You have real-time collaboration through the single ledger system, centralized oversight through the client dashboard, standardized reporting with master packs, efficient bulk corrections using Find and Recode, and strong controls with lock dates. When used properly, this setup allows you to scale your practice, reduce manual work, and improve accuracy across your entire client base. Instead of reacting to problems, you can proactively manage and monitor your portfolio from one place. And that's how to use Xero for accountants in a practical, professional way. If this video helped you understand how to better manage clients inside Xero, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step accounting software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.